Is it time to buy or sell Costco stock? In this video, we will delve into an in-depth analysis of Costco. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive examination. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of July, 2025, our system has identified Costco as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 1.35%. This amounts to an average daily loss of approximately 0.67% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Typically, this could represent a favorable buying opportunity. However, if there is a breakdown through the bottom trend line at $946.93, it would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decline of 1.06% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns fluctuating between -3.18% and +7.51%. In terms of the longer view, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of 16.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 14.30% to 38.31% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $1,106.03 and $1,338.43. Our latest daily update for Costco includes the headline, Costco stock price down 1.35% on Tuesday. The Costco stock price fell by 1.35% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, from $980.91 to $967.68. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.41%, ranging from a day low of $966.66 to a day high of $980.25. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 2.25% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 132,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next few days. In total, 2 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.73 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,078.23, while the lowest price was $793. Currently, the price is 10.25%, or $110.55, below the 52-week high of $1,078.23, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Costco has reported robust growth in its June sales, with an impressive 5.8% increase in comparable sales, primarily driven by a significant 11.5% growth in e-commerce. This growth indicates strong demand among value-focused consumers and reflects Costco's ongoing success in adapting to digital shopping trends. The company also achieved an 8% year-over-year jump in total sales, reaching $26.44 billion for June, supported by loyal membership and ongoing international expansion. The rising popularity of Costco's private label brand, Kirkland Signature, has further bolstered the business, aligning with its strategy to provide quality products at competitive prices. Investors should note that Costco has consistently outperformed the broader market, climbing 200% over the past 5 years, which positions the stock favorably amid current market conditions. In the immediate term, this positive sales performance is likely to boost investor confidence and could lead to an increase in stock price. Looking long-term, continued e-commerce growth and strong brand loyalty will be pivotal, potentially positioning Costco as a leading contender in the retail sector. Amid rising economic pressures, Costco's performance might resonate well with investors seeking stability. thus reinforcing its stock's upward trajectory in the upcoming quarters. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Cost an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Telsey Advisory also reported that they gave Cost a hold grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May 2025, Evercore ISI rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. On that same Thursday, Loop Capital Markets rated Cost as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May 2025, Telsey Advisory again rated Cost as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Costco stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Costco. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Costco stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the price levels at $978.46 and $998.65. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 8.44%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Costco. Costco has established support from accumulated volume at $957.77. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Overall, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered very low. Over the past day, this stock fluctuated $13.59 between its high and low, representing 1.41%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 1.50%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Costco, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 25th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.78. Keep a close eye on these figures, as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Costco. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Costco is at 980.29. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Costco faces its first support level at 957.77. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Costco from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of July in the year 2025, Barbara Tiffany Marie conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the 18th day of June in the year 2025, Decker Susan L. conducted an insider sale of 546 shares of common stock. On the same day, Decker Susan L. also conducted an insider sale of 1 share of common stock. On the 9th day of June in the year 2025, Callan's Patrick J. conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th day of June in the year 2025, Riel Pierre conducted an insider sale of 2,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 8.894. Overall, insiders purchased 104,852 shares and sold 78,667 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Costco stock a good buy? Costco exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we expect Costco to open higher by $3.85, starting at $971.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.